Hey fam, welcome back to another episode on the channel. I'm half awake right now, but hey guys, we gotta keep it going. Let's get this video up to 100 likes. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. We're gonna be on the grind. It's a huge goal, but hey man, we gotta go for the stars. We gotta shoot for the stars right now. But anyways, right now in this episode, we're installing the Starlight ceiling on the Z. We're gonna make this thing fancy like a Rolls Royce, but I'm not gonna do it myself. We got my brother Opelite Optics coming straight from San Diego. He flew from San Diego all the way here to Sacramento to install the lights on my Z. And right now Sacramento is not looking pretty, guys. Trees are getting knocked over left and right here in Sacramento. The wind yesterday alone was crazy, man. It was damn near low-key a baby tornado yesterday, not gonna lie. But anyways, right now we're gonna head over to my girlfriend's house real quick because we gotta remove some branches that fell on her roof. Crazy last night, I'm telling you guys. But and then we're gonna have to go pick up my brother from the airport ASAP. Yeah, go ahead, brother. That's the first one in the neighborhood. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Take care. Be careful. If you see this video by any chance, hey, shout out to you, my brother. Have a good morning. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. We just cleared some branches. Those are some huge branches. I don't know if this is the last storm, but I want to say it's one of the last ones. So right now we're running a little bit late. Let's go pick him up and then let's get this project started. All right, guys, we just arrived to the Sacramento airport. Okay, how do you say it? Is it Opelite Optics?
Opelite.
Opelite. We picked up Opelite Optics from San Diego, right?
Yep, San Diego.
What part? Like what smallest?
Escondido.
Yeah. Okay, hell yeah, dude. Well, thank you very much for coming over. I know our city's kind of flooded right now, but we'll make it work. But I appreciate you for coming outside and let's get the project started.
Let's get it going.
Get it going. Pillars, get it going. About to take off the headliner right now. Just taking off like the seat belts. Freaking, what do you call this? The freaking wind visor or whatever? The freaking,
the pillars?
Not the pillars, right here.
Oh, the headliner.
The headliner. No, this is the headliner, no?
Which
the freaking the cover.
Sun visor. Yo, I got a question though.
Yeah.
Why do you have like little bag of cocaine and condoms down?
What did he say? Alright guys, real quick, we had to disassemble the freaking airbag setup here in the back of the tank. So we had to access some things. This is what I was trying to do yesterday to adjust my freaking struts. The freaking thing is out, my boy.
Put it on the steering wheel. That'll protect that.
And the headliner is out.
Almost.
Oh.
Alright, now we just gotta drop the transmission and we'll be done.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Looking all cozy and shit. Get this. Just pulling up the wig. And you have to separate it hairline by hairline?
Yeah, bro.
There you go. So you can count 80.
So I just need one?
No, I need 4.
Why?
You can count it 4 times. So 80 zip tie.
Oh, 84.
80, zip tie. 80, not 84. 80
God
times 4.
Damn, 80 times 4.
Mm-hmm.
Shit. 1, 2, 3.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Count in your head, man. Be a professional,
dude,
right?
that's so fucking hard.
One eternity later.
12, 15, 25,
Fuck that.
105.
30. Fuck.
The extras, you know, the ones you have in your left hand, we're gonna cut those at the base.
Once they're cut, that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
No, no, I'm just messing with you.
Bro, you scared me. Holy shit. Man has to do 600 holes. Man's Picasso or some shit. And drawing the Mona Lisa up in there. And he signed it, Van Gogh. when the whole thing is done, when it's daylight, you're not using it. Can you see it? Like barely a little bit?
Well, I'm hoping no.
Right.
Since we don't have the Dremel. That would have been ideal.
Yeah.
But this, I'm doing it so short that I think it should be fine. Okay. Because it's usually how we run it on 370s, and it's the same material. But I'm just making sure they didn't like do something different that I don't know about on these new cars, you know?
Alright guys, so we pretty much got all 600 stars, all on the headliner, ready to go. It's actually not as bad as people think.
When I'm here, it's not bad. It's not bad. I just want to make these shorter so we're not tripping on them in the car.
As we're officially done setting up the headliner, now we're basically he's got to install it. Can't even see him. Bro, you good? You good? You still under there?
Yep.
You good?
Alright, what I'm gonna do is... Let's see.
Man's in the jungle. It's
I
Avatar.
know, right? This just sucks, man.
Avatar, the way of optics. Oh. Hey, you like watching movies?
Yeah.
What kind of movies do you like watching? Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, one of my favorite genres, you heard it here first, I like chick flicks, man.
Chick flicks?
Like the rom-coms, the romantic ones and shit.
I like watching horror movies, bro.
Really? I'm not a fan of horror movies at all.
Ah,
At
damn
all,
it.
bro.
Alright, the video's over, guys. Peace. Catch you later. Caught me off guard, but y'all see that? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, little.
But when he's sweeping.
Yeah.
He's Mexican.
I got you, my guy.
And no, it's not racist. I'm Mexican too. So.
Yeah,
all the viewers are like, oh, this white boy said Mexican shit. And
He's a white Mexican.
Come on.
You're 50-50.
No, fool.
Fool?
Mi mamá es de Guadalajara y papá del DF.
Oh, shit, he pulled out
Oh, god damn.
Looking sick.
No, for real, bro.
I gotta show you guys at night.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Skyler.
Shut the fuck up, bro. Hey, bro.
Why do you believe me?
Bro, you can't be over here like, hey, ¿qué pasó, muchacho? This and that. My name's Skyler. Fuck, you lying.
Wait, do I not look like a Skyler? Bro, is it because I'm brown?
Yes. 100%.
Alright guys, we just got done installing the Starlight on the Z. Let me give you guys a quick montage. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ready? Check this out. Damn. You ready?
A ver, dale.
You ready?
Hey.
Alright. Damn! Look, he's falling in love. Nah. Damn, look at that. Fire.
Mira, y no se siente, güey, nada.
Yeah, you can't feel it, huh? Look.
¿Y todos son hoyos?
Yeah?
Shit.
That's facts right there. You can't feel any of the lights. You can't feel it. Smooth. Smooth, man. Quality work right there.
Quality work.
Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Damn, bro.
Holy shit, it's all over. I love it. That guy came in, then he fucking left.
I know.
I only said hi to him once, but oh my god, he did amazing.
It's freaking sick, huh?
And all in one day, that's crazy.
I know, right?
Oh my god, I love it.
What do you think?
If you don't make me go blind.
Hey guys, so our day is officially over with the Z and Antonio over at Opelite Optics. We went ahead and dropped them off at the airport. Peace out. Thank you very much for everything.
Adios, man.
Oh yeah, have a safe
bro.
flight. Take care, brother.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
This shit's looking wet, my dude. Look at this. That's just so sick, bro. It's so freaking nice. I just want to kind of describe what he did, what kind of package was it, and I don't even think if we covered that in the video, so I kind of want to cover it very briefly. Me and him agreed on doing the 600 star package on the Z. You guys know the Z is a small car, and if you do too many of them, it just looks like a giant light bulb. But what's cool about them is that half of the stars you can do one color, half of the other stars you can do another color, right? So that's pretty unique. Plus, on top of that, he added shooting stars to the ceiling. You can turn those off, you can leave them on, you can slow them down, you can make them faster. So everything is very adjustable. Any color, any mode, any speed. I mean, this thing is like top notch. And the job he did is just spectacular, man. Like I was mentioning to my girlfriend, and you guys saw the reactions of my parents as well. He said it in Spanish, but if you pass your hand through this, you cannot even feel any optics at all. It feels like the original roof, and you can see, you don't see any holes, you don't see any optics, anything of that sort. It looks like the original roof, but with a press of a button, the whole roof lights up. Now that right there is so amazing, man. That's quality work, amazing customer service. Shout out to Opelite Optics straight from San Diego. Thank you very much, brother, for coming out here. You did one hell of a job, man. Right anywhere in the US, bro, this man Okay, I don't want to overpromise, but it's a very good chance that he will fly to you and do the job for you, man. Like, this guy, he's hustling, bro, and man, this thing's insane, bro. Said, man, thank you guys for watching this video. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's do that. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow the boy over at Opelite Optics, man. He does some insane work, so go ahead, check him out. I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace out, brothers. Hasta luego. Peace.